Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This is the first of two tutorials on the browser, the page you will spend the most time in. In this one, we cover the folder view and folder settings. The next one covers galleries. Start on the left with the folder panel. Folders hold galleries, and folders can hold other folders, so a season, a sport, or a client can each have its own structure. Click a folder to open it, and click the arrow to expand it and see what is inside. Above the list, you can sort the galleries. Most recent, gallery title or gallery date. Most recent keeps whatever you shot last at the top, which is usually what you want in the middle of a season. There are two ways to view the list. Compact is the default and gives you one line per gallery, the title and a small icon showing whether it is private, password protected, or public. Expanded adds the event date under each title. Use Compact when you want to see everything at once, and Expanded when the dates matter. The folder icon changes how the folders themselves are ordered. A to Z, Z to A, recently updated, or a custom order you set by dragging folders where you want them. Custom order is worth using once you have more than a handful, because the folders you touch every week should be at the top, and alphabetical will not put them there. Now the button bar across the top. Search finds a gallery by name, which matters once an archive runs to hundreds of them. New folder and new gallery create either one, right where you are standing. Next to those is sorting, then the refresh button to pull the latest, then the toggle between grid and list view. Grid to see the work, list to scan a lot of galleries quickly. The three-dot menu holds the rest. New gallery, new subfolder, settings, move to, and delete. Open folder settings and you will find several tabs. Everything you set here becomes the starting point for every gallery inside this folder, which is what makes folders worth organizing properly. Permissions is where you grant access to people and groups inside your organization. The MatchID tab sets the default rosters for the folder. Every gallery you create inside it starts with those rosters already selected, so you choose the team once for a season instead of choosing again for every game. File naming decides how uploaded files are named. Inherit your organization default. Keep the original file names exactly as they came off the card, or set a custom pattern just for this folder. Store, if you have selling turned on, sets the price tiers for the folder. Notifications is where you choose what you get told about. When a gallery is ready after face recognition finishes, when photos are uploaded, when a gallery is published, and when tags are approved. Set the folder up once, and every gallery you create inside it starts in the right place. In the next tutorial, we will open a gallery and go through the gallery toolbar, gallery settings, sharing, and upload links. Visit our tutorial library at galleryid.ai/help to learn more. Visit our help page for more tutorials.